Hello everyone, here I have a 60-inch TV by Sony and it has a black screen. It's a KD-60X690E, and what happens is when you turn it on, you have a green standby light at the very bottom. You can see right here, solid green. And then when you hit the power button, it will flash, and then that means that it's turning on, but it's always a black screen. Now, I've opened it up. When you open it up, just be careful. There is a wire that connects to your front speakers. After you have it apart, there are three main boards. This is the power supply board, and each board has a white sticker, so you can use that to order any of the parts. So if it doesn't have a standby light, then that would be the power supply board. What I did is I tested the backlights, and I was measuring 137 volts. So after adjustment, this TV turned back on. Now, this could be because the backlights are failing. This is the T-Con board, and here's the sticker as well. That's if you have any kind of horizontal lines or what have you. And this is the main logic board. So if you have issues with the internet or whatever, or it doesn't show the logo, this could be the problem. So after I turned opened it up and I screwed in everything, it did come back on the lights. That's because when the TV first starts, it detects if there's too much voltage or current going through the backlights. And what could be the issue is one of the LEDs is going, but it hasn't gone yet. So you can test the backlights by, I just went on YouTube and put a white screen, and if you see a black dot on the screen, it could be a backlight issue. But this TV, it seems to be working fine. It could have just been a glitch. So just doing a reset by unplugging your TV, plugging it back in, waiting. If the still has issue, then you may have to replace, and it doesn't come on, you may have to replace the backlights. I also have put a description of how to replace the backlights in the future. If this occurs again, the 99% chance it's the backlight issue, because if one of the lights breaks, they're all in series, then it will test the current through the backlight. It'll briefly turn on and then turn back on, giving you the black screen, is because it has detected that the voltage isn't correct because one of the LEDs in the back is damaged. So this fix worked. Just resetting the TV. I also gave you the pictures. Having an LED tester is useful too. I put a link in the description below. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video.